Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, today was warm again. We hit 84 degrees, well above the average of 79, and the morning low starting off warm as well with 71 degrees. As we go through the next few days, tomorrow we're still up there in the lower 80s. 84 for the high, and then that front comes in, and that's going to cool us down a lot here for Friday and Saturday. Warming back up a little Sunday, but this next front, this one's going to be make much of the country actually feel like winter. There's some very cold air coming down with this one, and look what it's going to do to us. Our high temperatures will only be in the lower to mid 50s Tuesday and Wednesday, and nights in the 30s. So we do have this cold weather pattern, or this cooler weather pattern, that looks like it will persist. But for today, we did get into that warmer air, and right now it's 81 degrees at Alice to 78 Ingleside and Corpus Christi. The winds coming in from the east up to 18 miles an hour. Those will die down tonight, and by 7 in the morning you can see that's pretty quiet here, and they pick up a little in the afternoon. But it's tomorrow evening that wind shifts around and it becomes gusty. It's going to be windy late tomorrow evening and overnight. The highest wind gusts up to 35 miles an hour, sustained winds 20 to 25 as that cooler air moves in. Friday morning it's still windy as you head out for school or work early. It's going to be a cold wind too, but as we get into the evening hours for high school football games, we are going to see that wind dying down as the temperatures will be quite cool. Outside tonight, though, we're having a light wind and it's mild temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s. And then tomorrow we'll have an increasing chance of showers and thunderstorms. Best chance is going to be late in the day. As you head out in the morning, it'll just be warm and dry. But as we go later on into the afternoon, those do develop, and temperatures, they do climb into the lower 80s tomorrow with highs across the area. You can see 80s to upper 70s, just like today before that cold air arrives. Where is it? Well, look at how cold it is up in the northern plains. Not only that, but there's some snow in this area. For us, you can see the front is sitting in the panhandle, and that pushes in tomorrow evening. So in the morning, you can see we have a lot of cloud cover to wake up to, but it'll be mild. Heading into the afternoon for your lunch break at noon, it still looks dry and warm. But as we get into the time you're coming home from work, especially in northern Live Oak and Bee counties and Refugio, looks like we're going to see those showers and storms developing and becoming more numerous as we go into the evening tomorrow. One thing you'll also notice here is some of those are going to have some heavy rain with them. In fact, you can see some pockets of heavy rain as these continue to move in through tomorrow evening, heading south. But it doesn't just end. We have more showers that will develop Friday into the early morning and through the day. And look how cool the temperatures are, by the way. Friday is going to be a lot cooler and damp at times as those showers gradually taper off. For high school games, it does look dry, but it's going to be cool and a bit breezy. Rainfall potential with this is pretty high in some spots. We're looking at a pretty widespread area here of potentially 1 to 1.5 inches of rain. Now, there could be pockets of over 2 inches in a few spots. So we could get a good dose of rain from this, especially right in the coastal to inland areas tomorrow and into early Friday. Here is your 7-day forecast brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop now with the AutoNation lot near you. Temperatures then come down 52 by Friday morning. Still a few showers around Friday. 61 is the best we're going to do on the high temperature. The weekend is dry and mild, starting to warm up Sunday before our next strong front brings rain, wind, and much cooler air Monday.